You're listening to AI Prism from Seoul Economic Daily.
Korea's home loan costs are climbing again for the fourth month running. Seoul's mayor is publicly refusing to let the government use one of the last big green spaces downtown for housing. Ruling party lawmakers push supply bills through parliament this week, but the biggest housing bill on the table is stuck in limbo. And 200 kilometers south, a 9 trillion won Hyundai bet is turning a quiet coastal city into the next land rush. It's Wednesday, August 19th. Let's look at what's happening in Korea's property market. The ruling Democratic Party holds its first high-level party government meeting on August 23rd to work out a fix for a tax reform plan that's drawn heavy public backlash. At the center of the fight is Seoul Mayor Oh Se-hoon, who wants Yongsan Park protected from apartment construction, while President Lee Jae-myung is pushing for more housing supply. Both sides agree Seoul needs more homes. They just can't agree on where to build them. Here's what the numbers show. The Korea Federation of Banks raised COFIX to 3.18% for July, up 0.13 percentage points, and the highest level in a year and 7 months. KB Kookmin Bank's variable mortgage rate rises to 4.38 to 5.78% starting today, up from 4.25 to 5.65%, tracking that COFIX increase. The government's August 13th supply plan adds 230,000-plus housing units to the greater Seoul area, using new public land and faster construction starts. Mayor Oh told President Lee directly that he opposes apartments on Yongsan Park, citing Seoul's shortage of walkable green space at just 5.7 square meters per resident. Saemangeum Development Corporation opens its second land sale next month, with starting bids set roughly 10% above last year, when 69 lots sold out at a 41-to-1 ratio. Hyundai Motor Group's 9 trillion won, about $6.4 billion, investment in Saemangeum's robotics and hydrogen hub is fueling that land price momentum. So what does this mean for buyers weighing a purchase this year? Earlier, we said mortgage rates were climbing for a fourth straight month. Here's what that actually means for you. If you're financing a home in Korea, your borrowing costs just got more expensive, and it's likely to keep rising into next year. The Yongsan Park standoff means Seoul's downtown supply crunch won't ease quickly, so alternative sites like Hwamdong and Itaewon may become the next names to watch. If you have capital to deploy outside Seoul, Saemangeum's second land sale next month offers a lower-cost entry point tied to Hyundai's long-term industrial bet. 3 things to watch this week. August 20th, the National Assembly votes on redevelopment and public housing bills. August 23rd, the first high-level party government meeting tackles the tax reform backlash. September, Saemangeum's second land sale opens, with final pricing announced after appraisal. That's today's AI Prism Real Estate. This episode was produced with AI assistance based on Seoul Economic Daily reporting and reviewed by a human editor. AI Prism is a Won IFRA award-winning series. We'll be back tomorrow.
You've been listening to AI Prism from Seoul Economic Daily.